Yes, I hope you all will be fine. In this video, we will see that during the installation of SQL Server 2014 setup, I found this error: Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5 service package is required. So in this video, we will see that how we can get this problem override. And for this, different steps we require to follow. And let's see how we will fix it. So for this, we require to go to the control panel. We will search for control panel. And here in the control panel, you require to find the programs. Here you can see the program option. You require to click on it. You will see here the windows features turn on and off. You require to click on this one. And after that, here you can see the .NET Framework 3.5. You just require to click on it. And other features in future, if you want to enable or disable, you can here set those up. And you will see here, we will get this up, and after that, we will click OK. In a few seconds, it will, you can see here, it is searching for the required files and it will install it. And you can see here the downloading the required files. And after that, it will be ready to install, and it will override the problem that we are facing during the installation of SQL Server 2014. And you can see here it is downloading, and this is the step you require to follow. And thank you, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and best regards for you all. Thank you.